Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tadu. Let's talk about this article I came across today. It's about South Korea, and they're caping up to make more drones for other countries. Looks like the war, any new war, we're going to see more and more drones. What do you guys think about that? Give me your thoughts and and your feedback on that. Is this gonna destroy humanity? Is this gonna make war easier, worse? I mean, what's next? Robots? These are pretty much flying robots, and we know that the United States has the best drones out there. I mean, we got real drones, not these little guys, but these little guys do kill people. They do destroy tanks. I mean, just because they're little doesn't mean that they're not, that they're not capable of doing anything. I wanted to share this article with you guys. We'll post the link down below, and give me your thoughts on the article. But it's just pretty much saying that South Korea is going to build the ultimate drones and sell them to other countries. And in South Korea, their biggest enemy right now is North Korea. But my own opinions on North Korea, I don't think they got the manpower, but they don't have the technology. I don't think South Korea is a threat, honestly. But that's just how I feel. Maybe because we just been my whole life growing up, and I'm only 34, but my whole life growing up, we've been taunted by South Korea that they're gonna blow up the U.S., that they hate us, blah blah blah. But they can't even get a rocket off the ground, or I don't know. And even if they do get a rocket off the ground, it misses its target by 100 miles or whatnot. But give me your thoughts on the whole South Korea thing, North Korea thing, and where do you see drones going in the future? I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.